Friends, my name is Varshkar and I am going to tell you how to make marble cake. It's very easy cake and I am sure that you would like it. It is also known as kitten cake. You can make in birthday parties and these ingredients you can get at any cake shop. That you need are, this is maida mix in which we have put 1 cup maida, half teaspoon meetha soda, 1 teaspoon baking powder. Then we have 3 times sieve it so that it would no other things or anything would be disturbed there. This is the container which will you pour your batter and microwave it. So in this we have done the greasing actually so that our cake can get out easily. See, these are essence, vanilla essence and orange essence. You can see. This is color food. You can't use any other color as it is. You can't pour it. This is specially another color. It's your wish to use or not. Need some milk, milk maid, 200 grams milk maid. This measuring cup. In this we have 60 ml oil. So let's start making it. So first we need to take our milk maid and pour it in this bowl. Then we need to take your oil and put it in this. We need to mix it. Now take some little. Now in 3 parts, 3 times you need to take this. Now this is become thick, so we need to put some milk. Now all the remaining we have to put it in this. Mix it well. some milk. See, it should have this much consistency. It should fall like this. You need to add that much milk. Now I have divided this in 2 parts. Now there is my OTG. In this OTG you need to preheat. Okay, it's preheating till the time this orange essence and this color I put in this only 2 to 3 drops, not more than that, and little color. And in this also we will put 2 to 3 drops. Now we need to mix this. Now I am putting 2-3 drops of vanilla essence. I am mixing it. In between it is become very thick, so you can take help of your mom or any elder. So you need to take this and pour it in this. Yeah, so I am putting this in this OTG. For 30 minutes, 180 degree. Now it's made. See, this is our marble cake. Now see, when it will be in normal position, you need to take it out. Now, yes. See. Now, see, our cake is ready. See, the orange layer is also coming and the white layer is also coming. Of that we put orange and vanilla essence now. That's why it is like this. So, isn't it looking nice? This is our tea time cake also and marble cake also. This is very popular and I'm damn sure that you will like it. So, I will be ready for the next video of the cake and be with a new and interesting cake. Like my channel, share my videos and subscribe my channel for new notifications of what I have made in how much more cakes I know how to make, and I make more cakes for you, and I will be coming with more ideas. Goodbye.